Shore Emergency Response. This is the master of MVD code. We've encountered an onboard fire emergency. The fire has been contained, but we have a personal injury. One of our crew members is severely injured, burns, and unconsciousness due to smoke inhalation. Requesting immediate medical assistance.
This is your response. Recap your message. Can you provide more details on the injury and the status of the ship?
The crew member has sustained severe burns and is unconscious. Our medical officer has provided first aid, but the situation is critical. We may need immediate evacuation if the condition worsens. The ship is stable, but some engine damage may require further inspection.
Understood. We'll activate our emergency procedures. Is the injured crew member responsive? Do you have the ship's doctor on board?
Understood. I will await further instructions and provide regular updates.
We recommend continuing oxygen supply and keeping the injured crew in a cool environment. Monitor vitals every 10 minutes. We will contact a medical professional on your behalf to advise on the next steps, and will arrange for emergency airlift if necessary. Please keep us updated every 15 minutes.